Alright, I got my Damon Challenger here. It's a 2003, and I'm fixing to change the vent in the bathroom. The overhead vent. I'm gonna put this on there. It had one of them like that, a little fan like that. I'm putting a bigger fan on it. Plus that one was, switch was bad and it was all rotten, falling apart. Alright, new project. Changing the vent fan in the bathroom of RV. Just the old screen. I already took the first cover off. It's pretty tore up. And now it's the trim around it. Unscrewed it fell and broke to pieces. So here's my new trim. Go around it to hold the fan up. There's my new fan. Got this all on Amazon, of course. And that's the brand I got. It's 15 inches by 15 inches wide. And this my old fan. My switch was going bad. The screen was tore. And it was just old and faded. So we're going to replace it. Take all that off. Fan will just pop off the blade. It just pops off. Okay, got my screen out. Next part, pull the fan off. Next part I'm going to do, I'll go ahead and take this motor off. Got two little bitty screws there to hold the motor on. And I'm going to do these wires. Here's your two hot wires coming in. 12 volts. So I'm going to do these wire nuts. Put them back on, and then I'll take that fan off to install a new one. Okay, going to test run this. Try to put this up in there. Right here, there's your hole for your gears, for to lift your vent cover up, which will go to here. I try to put it up, it doesn't match up, but this is adjustable. You got two screws here. We'll just take them off, move it back, put your gear in that hole there. So I'm going to do that real quick. Alright, fixing to hang this. It came with some small screws like this. Had a little bag here. Had some screws. These screws here. Gonna go one here on this side and down on the other side. And in the hole where your bar comes across, you got a small hole. I don't know if you can see it, but right there, there's a small hole on each end. Each end, right? Not that hole, but did one, there's a smaller one right there that it screws into. And I'm gonna hang that up right now. Okay, it's good if you had an extra set of hands. I got the wires. Let me just lay them up on top of here. What I'll do later is go up top and tie the wires together up top. Good to have a magnetic tip too on your screwdriver. The handle. And yep, I'm good to go. I can work it up and down, open it up as far as I can. I also got another screw that handle on. So there's 3 little screws. Okay, that part's done. It's 16 by 15. It's like 4 inches deep, which I might have to cut it so it fit. It's adjustable where you can cut it. And it'll go like such. And I gotta cut about a 1/2 inch off of it, and I'll be good to go with it. That's about what it looks like. Okay, I'm up on the roof. I'm up under my carport part, kind of in the dark a little bit. But I have a cover over my vent. All I got here, I got 2 screws. I take that out. I can get into that, do the wiring. Okay, got it open. There's my hot wires coming in. There's my black and my white wire here for my fan. Do just wiring them things, wire them up. And I got some twist ties. I'll tie it down so it don't get caught in the fan. All right. Before you wire all this up, make sure your switch is off, which I'm doing is hot, so I didn't turn no breakers off or anything. In which my switch is turned on. So I got somebody gonna go turn that switch off for me, and I'll finish wiring it up. Here, I got it wired up. Got my wire nuts on. Put some zip ties on here, one here, so the wires don't get in the fan. And I got my sunny side, gonna turn it on. Yep, there it is, it's working. Good as new. Okay. Okay, that's in. And I just got the cheaper 1-speed. They got some where you got temperature reading and all that on it, but all I need is to get the steam and the stink out of here. Alright, well I'm going to take that in, give me a measurement, go get it cut, and we'll install that and it'll be done. I'm going to cut this, so I'm going to just use some snips, which it does pretty good. I'll just go around there. I don't need much, about a 1/2 inch off of it, and it'll be good to go. I'm going to go ahead and cut this. Alright, I got it cut off, cut about a 1/2 inch off, ready to install it. Push up your snug. Alright, there it is, all done. So, if you're willing and able, you can do it yourself. Save you some money.